I am officially at the end of my rope. It's time to close the curtains because this week I officially decided to quit Forex. So as I look back over the last 2 years, I posted this video about how I was discovering Forex, falling in love with it. At that time, I was working at Apple through this temp agency, and I was starting to buy stocks. And I still buy stocks every month, but this was the absolute beginning of my trading journey. This is where I saw the opportunity of what trading could become, where I started learning about the candlesticks, patterns, indicators, the whole rabbit hole of going down this learning path of a new career. And I deposited my first real money into a live Forex account in January 2024. That's when my journey actually began of actually trading with real money. And as of today, I quit. And let's get this clear. I'm not quitting because I suck as a trader. I'm quitting because I'm switching over to futures, a more regulated, trusted market. I'm gonna be trading until I die. I ain't never gonna stop trading. I'm gonna be 80 years old, pressing that buy and sell button, printing money. Understand that. I'm a dedicated trader. I'm not quitting. If you thought I was quitting, nah, this ain't that type of video. This is what I'm gonna do for the rest of my life. And although I have not made any money in the 2+ years that I've been trading with Forex, I believe my success is going to happen in the futures market. Because I notice all the big traders that are actually making real money are in the futures market. People that are selling courses and signals, those are the scammers that's in Forex, because Forex is not regulated. And I've had my share of experiences with prices going against me because of the spread increasing at certain times of the day. I remember there was a trade specifically where I was in a winning trade. It was around maybe 1 p.m. I think New York session had just ended, and the spread increased. So the price was way down here, but spread was 10 pips above that. And one small pullback kicked me out of the trade from the spread, not the price. The price never touched my stop loss, but the spread touched my stop loss, kicked me out of the trade, and then the trade ran in my favor. And me watching that in real time, I was like, damn. So the Forex market is manipulated depending on what broker you trade. And of course, I've caught plenty of trades. I've caught 60 pip trades, 40 pip trades. And the account that I just blew, I was trading this account for about 150 days. If you remember the last video I posted, I was at 120 days. So I've been trading this account that I just blew. I decided to just go full port, full margin, and I blew the account. And I felt nothing about it. Absolutely nothing about it. I think I ended the account that I blew at 44%. That ain't too bad. 44% ain't too bad. And I believe I can increase that. And if I can increase that just a few points on the futures end, more than profitable. And I've been researching futures here and there, not really taking it serious, but after I really start putting two and two together, like, wait a minute, the people that's actually making money, they do not trade Forex. They don't trade fucking Forex. What am I doing still here?
I need to feel you, Jerry. Show me the money.
I'm switching teams where it's regulated, where the leverage is there, where no matter what broker you sign into, everybody sees the same price. On Forex, you might be able to sign into two different brokers and the price is slightly different. The spreads are slightly different. So I'm ready to lock in on futures. This is how I'm gonna run it up. I decided that a long time ago. I'm just gonna take a small pivot, and I've been doing some demo trading. I missed a couple trades that I could have won with real money on demo. So my strategy actually worked with my custom indicators that I made with ChatGPT. And I was hesitant to switch from Forex to futures because who wants to learn new platforms? Who wants to learn about contracts? And I was just stubborn. I didn't want to switch because I wasn't even profitable with Forex yet. So why would I switch to futures And I think I was looking at it the wrong way. I just wasn't ready at that time. But now that I'm putting two and two together, the people that are actually making money, the people that I actually respect in this industry, the people I look up to, they trade in futures. They trade in futures. It's time to run it up because I believe I can. If you want to see exactly the stocks that I invest in, because I do invest in stocks as well. I have a dividend portfolio that pays me every single month. Click that link in the description. Join us on Blossom. Over 500,000 investors across the world building wealth. That's where the conversation is. That's where the learning platform is. And right now they actually have a giveaway where they're, I think they're giving away $10,000 to a random member.
Blossom Social, which is actually giving away $10,000 to teach you how to invest. To celebrate Financial Literacy Month, Blossom has made all the courses on their platform completely free, and anybody who completes their Investing 101 course in the month of April will earn $5 and will automatically be entered into a drawing to win a $10,000 grand prize. To learn more, just click the link in the description of the video or in the pinned comment and sign up for Blossom today. It is completely free to join, guys, and it's a great place to be if you're an investor. I highly recommend you get on there.
So if you're interested in the $10,000 giveaway, join us on Blossom, an amazing platform. You can track and see what everybody is investing in, all their stocks. You can ask questions. You can potentially get paid, right? $10,000 just for joining and learning how to invest. Because if you're not investing, you are losing money due to inflation every year, right? You're losing purchasing power. So that's all I got for you in this video. God bless you. Hit that subscribe button if you want to continue following my wealth building journey of investing, of trading, and just taking it one step at a time towards financial freedom. And stick around for this next video because I'm sure you will enjoy it.